Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the rear leveling leg on your stove. The reason why you would have to do this is because the leveling leg on your stove is damaged, causing it not to level properly. For this repair, you'll need 2 pairs of channel locks. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove we're going to be using for this repair. It's a Whirlpool. Keep in mind, yours at home might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same techniques should still apply. The first thing you want to do is make sure you turn your gas off. Alright, so to take our gas line off, I'm going to use 1 pair of channel locks, and I want to hold on to this part right here. And I'm going to use our other pair of channel locks in order to grab the line, and I'm going to twist both of them in opposite directions. That way we're not spinning endlessly while we're trying to loosen it. Now I've got that loose, I can undo it by hand the rest of the way. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take everything off the stove top, because what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to tip the range over so that it's a little bit easier for you to see at home. Now that we've got everything off the stove top, move the stove forward a bit so we can tip it back and get to our feet. So here are 2 rear leveling legs. They're both a bit messed up and very hard to adjust because of their damage. So what I'm going to do to get them off is I'm going to use my channel locks here, and I'm just going to keep twisting until the leg comes out. There we go. Actually, I might be able to twist this. This actually reminds me of another corny joke. What do you call somebody with one leg shorter than the other? Eileen. Now, grab your new OEM replacement leveling leg. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. And to put these in, since they're not damaged, we can just screw it in by hand. And I'm going to screw it in all the way, and then once we have it set up, we can adjust if needed. Alright, so now we can set it back up. So now we're going to reconnect our stove to the gas line. There we go. Tighten it the rest of the way with our channel locks. In case your adapter is spinning inside, you might want to get another pair of channel locks just to hold that in place. And then you can tighten it the rest of the way. There we go. And now we can turn our gas back on. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.